everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited because I got a box in today and I thought I was going to get it tomorrow. This is hopefully my men's ThredUp 10-pound box. I've seen so many other people doing these boxes, and I've seen some really great pieces coming through. I've had some great pieces. I've already been selling, as you've seen if you've been watching our What Sold videos. I've already been selling some great men's pieces, jeans and pants and just sweaters and different things like that. So it's very exciting. And this is through ThredUp, so I'm very excited to see what kind of items I get. So let's get right to it. I'm Sandra. If you are new here, welcome. If you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back. We sell on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, Depop, and now we're looking at selling on Facebook Marketplace. And basically we buy things at a discounted price anywhere we can, and turn around and flip it for a profit. Just things are growing. We've had so many great sales the last couple of weeks, and we're excited to see continued growth. I am actually going to lift you guys up just a smidgen. I know I've done this before, or maybe I just need to come in. Maybe I'm just going to come in a little bit closer because it just kind of felt like I was, let me adjust you just a smidgen here, guys. I just kind of feel like I'm a weird spot on the screen, and so, oh, that's better. That's better. Okay. Oh, that's much better. I felt like I was in a weird spot on the screen, so that's much better. Apologize for that, but anyway, that feels much better. I felt like I was going like this. So let's open this up, you guys. Let's see what we have. I'm so excited. I'm kind of hoping for maybe some Patagonia or just some Columbia or some great stuff. Anyway, either way, no matter what we get, I'm excited about this box and where we are going to see. I paid for this one. Let me see here. $50. Yes, it is the mixed men's. Yay! I'm so excited to see what we have. Now, this came from Arizona. So, obviously, I actually hold on to that tissue. I use it as part of my shipping supplies when we package boxes and different things like that. So that stuff comes in handy. I am so excited to see what we get here. So let's dive right in, you guys. Very exciting. Okay, my first piece is Project, size medium. This is a men's. Oh, this is a nice shirt. Hopefully I'm not going to get any glare here. This is a nice shirt, and it's by, again, Project. Let me show you the label. There you go. And it just looks like a nice piece. It looks to be in really good condition. I am really happy with that. It's got the logo there, and it's also got this here. So it just looks like a nice piece. It's also got a thing here on the pocket. Nice piece. I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to put these down here. Let's see what else we got. I have new with tags, appointment 9. I'm excited to have some shorts because it is definitely that time of the year to start selling shorts. I've already had a few pieces for summertime things selling. These are, they retail to $44. These are a size 30. Again, appointment 9, smart temp. So, see how those do. And then we've got a Top Man. That was the brand. This looks like it might be kind of like a tie-dye shirt. It's a short sleeve shirt. Perfect for the season coming up, you guys. Short sleeve shirt. And there's the brand. And it's a classic fit. So this is nice when you get these boxes, because like a lot of other people have mentioned on other videos that I watch, it gives you an opportunity to learn new brands. And some of the brands that I've been getting whether they're in a thrift store or in boxes, I don't know about, and I find out that they actually sell pretty good. This is Bixby. It's a size slim medium. It's a plaid men's shirt. Nice piece. So there's that. So we will definitely, that's a nice color and a nice piece for, again, spring, summer coming up. So I'm really happy with that. Looks like we have some more men's shorts. Oh my goodness, did I actually get, I got Lululemon. Ah, I'm happy. I know. Some people think that's silly, but you know what? When you're looking for good brands, we don't get a lot of good brands, even at our Goodwill store, like Lululemon, Patagonia. We've been going for a few weeks now, and I have found none of those types of brands, and I don't have a Goodwill bins close to us. The closest one is like 2 to 3 hours away from us, and then beyond that for others. I got a Lululemon, and it still kind of has a thing on there. This is a size 32. Good shorts. It has that right there. So I'm excited, you guys, to get these listed. And they're in really good shape. Super great shape. So we'll do those. And then what else do we have here? My honey is in here grabbing packages, getting ready to go down to the post office. So our next piece, you guys, let's see what we have, y'all. Wrangler, fantastic, 33 by 32. Let me show you. And these look to be in really good shape, you guys. A good size. Let's see what else. Yeah, these look to be in really good shape. So perfect. Very good. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, what is this? Patagonia! Lululemon and Patagonia, you guys. I'm so excited. These are great brands. Patagonia size extra small. This is a perfect free piece also for the seasons coming up, you guys. Let's see what kind of shape it's in. And it looks to be in great shape. It's a zip up. I'm going to show you here in just a second so you can see. I'm so excited, you guys. These are some good pieces. This is a full zip up. Yep, it looks to be in great shape. Let me unzip it so you can see. I'm going to clean up the, it has some Velcro, so I'm going to clean that up a little bit. But you guys, this is in good shape. This is a great little jacket. I am so happy about this, and it's hooded. So very excited to get this listed. I am very pleased so far with this box, you guys. I am so pleased. We have a men's sports coat. This looks definitely vintage. Let's see what we have here. It doesn't have a brand on it that I can see. Let's see what we got here, you guys. Definitely vintage. I like, you can tell by the buttons, and it looks to be in really good shape. I'll have to do some measurements on this, but we will definitely list this. So we'll see about that one, you guys. I'm excited. Another great piece, you guys. I am so happy I got this box. Under Armour, size medium. It's an olive green men's shirt with a logo on the front. Let's show you there. Yay! Long sleeves. So perfect for those cool, chilly nights. And yeah, I'm so excited. Let's see what else we got. I am very, very happy. Champion shorts. Again, great time for the season. And these have pockets. And they look like they're duo dry. So, oh, did I say size? Sorry. Size small. So we're going to get those listed. I'm curious to see what this piece is because it looks good. Extra large, beautiful giant. I've never heard of this before, but it's kind of a cool piece. Look at this coloring, you guys. And it's hooded, full zip up. Looks to be in really, really great shape, you guys. This is a great piece. People wear a lot of sweatshirts and different things with spring and summer coming up for the cooler nights. This is a perfect piece. I am so happy with what we're getting, you guys. And then we have Ralph Lauren extra large classic fit button-down men's shirt. Very nice. Again, great colors, short sleeved. For spring, summer coming up, you guys. These are some really great pieces. I am very happy. Yay. Let's see what else we got. I think I have 1 or 2 more pieces left. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is Cactus Menswear. Extra large. I love selling larger pieces, you guys. I've never heard of this brand before either. And it's literally got cactus print on it. Again, short sleeve. Perfect for the season coming up. Button down. Looks to be in really good shape. So we'll get that listed. And last but not least, let's see what we got here, you guys. Perry Ellis portfolio. Brand new with tags. Retailed at $75. Let me see. Size 38-34. So see that Perry Ellis. Now, I've never heard of this brand before either, but premier fabric, permanent crease. So this has, it's flat front, but it's got crease down the middle. So anyway, these are men's dress slacks. Now again, you guys, I only paid, I think it was $60 for this box. And let me check and see how many pieces I got. Oh, sorry, I paid $50. So let's check and see how many pieces we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We got 14 pieces. We got 14 pieces. So let me see here. I'm thinking that that's like, I'm terrible with math in my head, you guys. 15, 30. That's like what, between like $4 and $5 a piece, I think. I'm really guessing with this. 15, 12. Yeah, I'm going to say like maybe $4 to $5 a piece. But either way, you guys, these are great pieces. I got some Under Armour. I got Lululemon. I got some Patagonia. I'm so excited I got some of those pieces, you guys. We have a shoe box coming in soon too, you guys. We're going to get these listed here really soon, especially since some of these, we're going to get that jacket figured out. I'm so excited about what we had, you guys. I definitely think that this box was worth it to get. I can understand now why some people are saying that the men's box is definitely great to get. I will probably definitely be getting some more of these boxes. I'm also waiting for some of the other purse bag options to come in as well. I have to be honest with you, so far my favorite with ThredUp, I don't really like the mixed boxes as much. I had a mixed pieces box that came in and they were okay. Men's box was good. I love their shoe boxes. Both my shoe boxes, one I've already made my full amount back for the box and I still have more shoes to sell. So it's pretty much all profit now. And my second box, I've already sold a couple pieces from that. And I'm almost at the point where it will be paid for. So, and this men's box definitely. So my favorite boxes so far are the men's box and the shoe boxes I've really liked. I will definitely be getting another men's box. I'm really happy with this. In fact, I might even see about getting the 25-pound next time just to get more pieces in and see what we get. If not, I'll for sure pursue the 10-pound box. Very happy with this, you guys. If you guys liked this box, please do like that you liked this box. And also, if you like the content, I've got a what sold video coming out also. I just finished putting that together this morning, so I'll be putting that out. I'm working on putting out at least 2 videos a week. You guys, our subscriber base is going up. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed and are following us. We do hope this content helps. I really enjoy doing these videos for you guys because I'm learning with you. I've had people comment on some of my previous videos about pieces, about other great boxes to get, like this men's box. I've had great communication with some of you. Thank you so much for those of you who shared that information about what kind of boxes to get or pieces that I'm getting. I so appreciate the interaction and the help, learning from each other. I love watching videos. I follow several of you guys and I learned so much from these videos. So if this helps you guys, please subscribe and just continue on this great journey with us. I'm so excited about what this box is going to bring. And you guys, until next time, have a really great day and we'll see you later. Take care so much, guys. Bye-bye.